Thanks. Is it cricket? Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So today my favorite hoodie and I are back with another video, and this time we're doing a closet organization video. I did like some pre-organizing before I actually filmed the video. I'll insert pictures or video of what the closet actually looked like before I did the pre-organizing. So I'm gonna, and then now I'm gonna just take everything out. Alright, so I've removed everything from the closet except some stuff down here which you guys can't see anyway. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange the shelves so that this shelf is up here and then this shelf is down here, so that it'll give me more room for the vision that I'm trying to accomplish. So these shelves supposedly remove easily. We're going to see. This is my first time trying to reorganize these shelves since I moved here, so we're going to see how this works out. Got one off. Alright, got one shelf lowered. Is it cricket? I think it's cricket, right? I don't really know. I have this organized the way I want it, I think. I'm not sure yet. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the baskets and all the little containers I got and assemble them, organize them the way I want, and then I'm going to be using some items from Amazon, some items from Target, and also some items from Dollar Tree, my 3 favorite stores. So I'm going to grab those things. So in this box from Amazon, I have like some shoe organization bins, but when I ordered them, I thought there were 12 and there are only 6. So let's open them and see. Right, this is from a brand called, I think it looked like it says Zodu. I'll link it down in the description box, and I'm pretty. All right, and since there was only 6 of those, I got another 6 of these clear bins came from Target. They were 94 cents each. You can also get these off Amazon, I'm sure, and you can get these from Dollar Tree. I also got this Room Essentials 3-shelf hanging closet organization bin that I'm gonna try to set up in there. And then lastly, from Dollar Tree, I got these collapsible storage bins. I got 3 of these. And then I got 3 of these collapsible storage containers. I'm probably going to put like shirts in here or maybe some jeans and stuff. I'm not really sure, but I also got 3 of these from Dollar Tree. These are new at Dollar Tree. I've never seen these before, so I'm going to open it to see. It looks pretty big on the packaging. This is how much it expands, and it's pretty deep and pretty much a nice quality from Dollar Tree. So I forgot to mention that I also ordered these collapsible hanger things from Amazon too. 4 in the pack for $9.99. Much have it set up how I want it to be organized. So in these bins here, I'm gonna put my jeans, shorts, and then some shirts, and then if I have like other, maybe like sleeveless shirts, tank tops, and then in this one I already put some of my sandals, and then we'll just go from there. These things were not as easy to put together as they made it seem. Here are the instructions that came with it. Like, oh, this is so easy. Well, maybe they didn't say that, but I don't know. It was kind of complicated. It took me like 30 minutes to put all 6 together. So that's what it looks like. I haven't decided which shoes I'm gonna put in there yet, but they are pretty spacious. So I think I'm gonna put my boots up here, since I won't be wearing them that often. I mean, I live in South Florida. How often do we have boot weather? Not that often. I also bought some of these flocked non-slip hangers from Target. So I'm gonna pretty much replace all the hangers here with the flocked hangers. I already have these black hangers for my pants, so I'm just gonna keep those as is. I'm just gonna switch out these hangers for these hangers. The majority or almost all of these clothes are my work clothes. I've been working from home since like mid-March or maybe the end of March. So a lot of these clothes I have not worn. I'm pretty sure that I can still wear most of them. So I don't want to get rid of them. As I'm putting the clothes on the hangers, I'm kind of going through them to see if I want to keep it or not. And I have no idea when I'm going back into the office. And I don't know if you can tell, I put all of my long sleeve shirts together, and my short sleeve shirts are together, and then I have my sleeveless shirts together. So I went through one pack already. I think I have more than enough hangers, at least for my shirts. My pants I'll keep the same. Anybody else have a lot of black in their closet? Like when I was going into the office, I think I wore black like almost every day. Not repeating any clothes, just that I have so much black. Like I have like 10 pairs of black pants. I can't even tell you how many black shirts. This is one of my favorite outfits. I got this outfit from New York & Company This is 2021. I think I got this in 2018, and every time I wear it, I get so many compliments, and it still looks brand new to this day. This is my favorite outfit. All right, so the final piece just came in to complete my closet. This is what it looks like. It says quick setup, easy to clean, compact design. So we're gonna see how quick this is. It's currently 7:04, so I'm gonna go ahead and assemble it. All right, so here are the instructions, and here are the pieces. So let's see how it goes. All right, so this is the final product. It literally took 15 minutes to put together. Super easy, and these canvas drawers are really sturdy. And excuse me, thank you. And it matches what I already have in the closet already, and it has this hard top. So I'll link this down below in the description box if you're interested in purchasing it.